Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of 3D printing? If you're a complete beginner, the prospect of diving into this cutting-edge technology might seem a bit daunting. But fear not, my friend. In this article, we're going to share some invaluable tips and advice to help you get started on the right foot. First and foremost, let's talk about choosing the right 3D printer. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Our advice: do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Look for a printer that strikes the perfect balance between affordability, reliability, and user-friendliness. Trust us, your future self will thank you for taking the time to find the right 3D printer. Next, let's dive into the world of 3D design. Don't worry, you don't need to be a seasoned CAD expert to create stunning 3D models. There are plenty of user-friendly software options out there, such as Tinkercad and Fusion 360, that make it easy for beginners to get started. Experiment with different tools, watch tutorial videos, and don't be afraid to get creative. The more you play around, the more confident you'll become. Of course, no 3D printing journey would be complete without the right materials. From the classic plot to the tough and versatile ABS, each filament type has its own unique properties and applications. Take the time to understand the strengths and limitations of each material, and don't be afraid to experiment to find the perfect fit for your projects. But let's not forget about the importance of ongoing education. 3D printing is a constantly evolving field, and the more you learn, the more you'll be able to push the boundaries of what's possible. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow 3D printing enthusiasts on social media, and don't hesitate to reach out to the community for advice and support. The 3D printing world is brimming with helpful and knowledgeable individuals who are always eager to lend a hand. Finally, the most important tip we can offer is to have fun. 3D printing is a creative and empowering process that allows you to bring your wildest ideas to life. Embrace the learning curve, celebrate your successes, and don't be discouraged by the occasional setback. After all, the journey is half the fun. Are you ready to dive into the world of 3D printing and unleash your inner creator? Join us on our channel as we explore more advanced techniques, share inspiring projects, and guide you through the latest advancements in this rapidly evolving landscape of 3D printers. Don't forget to subscribe, exploring the different types started on your 3D printing adventure. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a budding entrepreneur, or simply